full goddamn. Do it for my niggas and the goose right there. Do it for my niggas and the goose right now. Niggas can't kill for the boy, live a dream to the hills, and they waiting for the boy right now. Goddamn.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this setup looks very familiar, and that is because if you saw my Zara try-on haul, which you should. So if you haven't even seen my Zara try-on haul, don't watch this video yet. Go check out that video and then come right back and watch this video. I am filming this on the same day as I filmed my Zara try-on haul. That's why everything looks pretty much the same. But today we are going to be doing a modest styling lookbook, or like a modest styling haul, styling video. I don't know what to really call it, but it's a modest clothing type haul. So during my time in quarantine, I have been going a little crazy with the shopping, y'all. Someone needs to take my bank card ASAP. But overall, I feel like these purchases I will have for a very long time. The longevity of these items will last me a good minute, because I feel like most of these are staple pieces and they can go with anything because they are a variation of blacks, nudes, just neutral tone clothing. And I feel like that's what I'm geared towards more when I'm shopping for clothing items. I finally realized my type of style that I like and what fits and looks good on me as far as dressing. And I've been watching a lot of modest clothing videos, and I'll have some YouTubers and Instagrammers that I look at for inspiration. Also, I like to go on Pinterest and also look through Instagram hashtags for inspiration of pieces that I want to buy and style. I went to several different stores and shopped at several different stores online to get these pieces from ASOS, H&M, Forever 21, Zara, Pretty Little Thing, even Marshalls. So I've been doing a lot of shopping, guys. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new, hey girl, hey, my name is Jess. And without further ado, let's just get right into this video. All right, to start this video off, if you've seen my Zara try-on haul, you have already seen this pleated skirt. And I just paired it with this sweater I got from Pretty Little Thing. This sweater actually came with a set. And I think I got it in the small, medium size. And I just really love how the different tones are playing really well with each other. Also, I just kept, since I am filming this on the same day as my Zara try-on, I just kept the bodysuit on underneath. The variation of the tones just look very well together. And also, if you want, you can pair it with this bag. I got this bag from Marshalls for I think $30. And I just really love the fact that it just, all the tones just look so good with each other. They play off of each other very well. So let me just get close so you guys can see the detail of the purse. And again, this bag was only $30. Yep, only paid $30 for this bag. Also, if you want, you can also pair it with this white bag that I got from Zara, which goes really well with the shoes because I am wearing white shoes with this outfit. And I really love this bag because it's like very small. It doesn't like overtake the whole outfit. It's just there looking really well with this outfit. So let's get on to the next one. So the next outfit that I am wearing is this top I got from Forever 21, and it was like around $12, and it's in a size medium. Also, I got this dress. It's a dress. And it's in a size small, and I also got it from Forever 21. I can't remember how much it was, but if I can find it online, I'll definitely link it down below. So with this outfit, very modest, very nice, very neutral shades, and I paired it just with some gold jewelry. As you can see, just something, a small light chain with some rings. And this is very new for me because I never wear jewelry at all. But as I'm getting older, I actually like wearing jewelry, and like I'm wearing purses. Like, who am I? Also, you can pair it with this white bag from Zara, and it's just a real nice, comfy outfit. It's very flowy. Nothing is confining you, and nothing is restricting you from moving. You can move, you can groove in this outfit, and I just love it. Also, what you can do if you want to spice this outfit up a little bit, you can put a belt around your waist. This is the only belt I have, but I would recommend like a off-white belt or like a brown belt. But since I only got the black belts, this is what we're gonna use today. You can take this belt and just like pull the shirt out a little bit, so it'll be something like this right here. Still very cute. It just turns the outfit up a little bit, you know? And you're off to go. This is a very like chill day party type outfit, summertime outfit, and yeah, I just really love it. So on to the next. All right guys, so this has probably got to be my favorite outfit out of the whole clothing haul styling video, because wow, like I can't believe I came up with this outfit. It's just very, very, very cute and flattering. I'm trying to show you guys the whole detailing of the whole outfit. So basically it's two dresses that I paired together. Also, I have this just basic tank top from Forever 21. You know, the $2.99 tank tops on. And then this is the same dress that you just saw from the second outfit. And then I just paired it with this woven dress, and I tied a belt around it so just so it hugged me very nicely. And I just love how flowy and dainty this outfit is. Also, you can pair it with your handy dandy white purse. But also, I was thinking that this one would also look cute with it, just because I thought it would look cute with it. Maybe if you don't want to play too much with the different colors, it might not look good with it. So you can pair this with some black sandals or some nude sandals or even white sandals as well. I freaking love this outfit. All right, so this next outfit is also one of my favorite outfits, because I love how the olive greens are like playing off of each other. Actually, when I purchased these pants, I thought they were going to be more so brown, but they ended up being like this lovely green color, which I am completely fine with. So you can pair it with this little purse right here that I got from Pretty Little Thing. Also, the top is from H&M in a size medium or 6. I forgot how their sizing is, but the pants are in a size US 8. And these are paper bag pants, which I am really feeling paper bag pants lately. Like, that is my jam. They look good on me, and I'm going to continue to buy them. So yeah, this cute little dainty purse will look really well, or even one of the 3 purses would look really good with this outfit. Well, I probably wouldn't wear it as a crossbody. I would probably have it like this on my shoulder a little bit, securing the bag, you know. I love the fact that these have pockets on them. Pants with pockets are an essential, of course. Also, these aren't the thickest pants, but I'm fine with that, because if they're too thick, that means not really airy and I need some air flowing, especially in the summertime. So I like that these pants are very like lightweight. They don't hold me down or anything like that. And I feel like they just look very, very good on me. And what type of shoes you would probably want to pair with this outfit are some like nude heels, some nude sandals. I feel like you can dress this outfit up or down depending on where you're going. Also probably some black sandals or heels as well would look very well with this outfit. All right, so this outfit is very like classy office type outfit. So I have a black tank top under this sweater shirt, and I got that tank top from H&M, and I got it in size small. This top right here I got from Forever 21 in a size medium, and this is actually a dress and not a skirt that I got from Old Navy, and I believe it was only like $12. But the thing is, they didn't have my size. I wanted to get a small, but I ended up just getting an extra small in this dress. But it still fits me really good. You know, Old Navy sizes are pretty large anyway, so I was able to get away with the extra small, luckily. And I just couldn't pass it up because I really, really liked it. So what I tried to do to break up the whole outfit, I tried to add this belt right here just to add some dimension, I guess, to the outfit, and it just looks very cute. Like I'm about to go to work, you guys, you know. Quarantine's over, I'm off to work. So with this outfit, I would definitely pair it with this little black purse right here. Just something very cute and simple. And with this outfit, unfortunately, you guys can't see my feet, but I have on some black sandal heels with this outfit, and I just think this outfit looks very, very cute, casual, and classy. Okay, so the only thing that I just changed was the sweater. I put on this black sweater that I got from Old Navy in a size small. And guys, this sweater was only $8 from Old Navy. And that's probably because I went to the Old Navy department store, so that could be why. Or just because they might just be having some very generous sales that you guys should take advantage of. So I'm just letting you guys know. Go to Old Navy and get you some cheap sweaters, and the quality is great for this outfit. I love how everything is just very flowy. Nothing is confining. I can move around in this outfit very nicely if I wanted to. Also, I got this sweater in the color gray, which you guys are about to see with the other outfit, but I just wanted to mention it. So you can also pair it with this a little dainty purse again. You know, this is like my favorite purse. This is my go-to purse actually, because it's just so small and it fits mostly everything that I need in this, besides my phone. My phone doesn't fit in this bag, but yeah, you can wear this black little bag, or you can also wear the white one. I would prefer to wear it as like a crossbody, just because I feel like it looks very cute this way. Or you can just wear it over your shoulder and it would still look very cute. So if you saw my Zara haul, you would have heard me rave about their blazers. And the only thing that I changed from the last outfit is I just took off the black sweater. But if you want, you can also just keep the black sweater on and just layer it with this blazer. But I really love this particular blazer because it does cinch you in at the waist a little bit. So it does give you a little bit of a figure. Also, you could like button it up if you wanted to. Let me just show you guys that really quickly. So as you can see, you can button it up and it still looks cute with this dress from Old Navy. And also, if you wanted to, you could also belt the blazer and around your waist. Let me show you guys that. So this is still a look. I love this Wow, I think this blazer would look really nice with a pleated skirt, black, pink, green, any pleated skirt actually, because white and black goes with everything. But I love this outfit. So what you could do, I would pair it with this off-white purse and wear it like such instead of a crossbody. Or if you want to add a little color to the outfit, you could pair it with this bag from Marshalls and you will have a look. Alright guys, so last but very much so not least is this outfit right here. And I got this sweater from Old Navy and I got it in a size medium and it was also $8. And then this dress I got a little minute ago from Pretty Little Thing, and honestly I didn't like the dress by itself, but being as though the dress is like a pleated skirt, I just decided to throw over this sweater. So what you can do is just basically tuck the front of the sweater up a little bit and have it hanging in the back, so it will look like this. And what you can pair this outfit with is some white heels or some white sandals, and then of course you can take this bag because it looks really good with this color. The color is kind of spot on. It looks very cute together. Or of course you can take the white bag and just have it over your shoulder. I love this outfit because it's like very playful, it's very colorful. The dress has flowers on it, which is great for the summertime. And I don't know if I mentioned, but I think I got the dress in the size small if I'm not mistaken. But that is it guys for my styling haul, modest styling haul video, my modest clothing haul video. Yeah, something along those lines. And I thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also share this video with like your friends, your family members, anyone out there that's just looking for some styling tips. Make sure you share this video. Bye guys.